Hey there, welcome to Work in Progress, a how-to series that's meant to help you with everything from prepping for a job interview to boosting your confidence or negotiating a raise. Here's today's question.
We're all looking to advance our careers, and whether we're happy in our current role, trying to transition into a different role in a different industry, or just looking for something more, building transferable skills is a great way to do that. The great thing about building skills is that it comes with a boost in income if you can do it properly. Here are 4 ways that you can build transferable skills and boost your income. Continue your education. Continuing your education is probably the most obvious way to learn new skills. And with the rise of the digital age, it's easier than ever to learn something new. You can spend an entire afternoon watching TED Talks and walk away with at least 5 talking points and some impressive new knowledge. Depending on your commitment level and your time allowance, you might choose to enroll in a full-fledged course, either online or in person, attend a weekend seminar on a certain skill or industry, or even just watch a webinar for an hour or 2. Whatever it is that you're interested in learning or improving upon, you can use your new learned experience as a reason to ask for a raise in your next salary conversation. For example, if you took a workshop on SEO 6 months ago, and that knowledge has actually helped you optimize all the copy on your company's website towards search engine traffic, which has in turn brought 10,000 new customers to the site in the last 6 months, that's your bargaining point. Your skills have helped the company towards its mission, and that's why you deserve an income boost. Turn your qualitative explanation into quantitative evidence. Part-time remote job. Another great option for boosting your skills and your income is finding part-time remote work. Because it's remote, it's easier to balance with your other responsibilities than another full-time job. You'll have flexible hours and you get to choose your schedule probably. It's also a great way to still make some cash. For example, VIP Kid is a company hiring remote online teachers to teach Chinese children English. You'd be able to set your own hours, teach globally, and even work from the comfort of your own home. That means you can schedule to work for a few hours after your 9 to 5, but you get to do that once you're already home in your fuzzy socks and comfy pants. And you'd be helping to empower children. Talk about living the dream. If you're interested in learning more, we put the link for VIP Kid in the description below. Start a side hustle or freelance career. If the whole working on your passion or towards your dream job thing sounds good to you, but you want to do it independently, maybe starting a side hustle or beginning a freelance career is the right move for you. While side hustling sounds great in theory, the truth is that there's a lot to think about when you're beginning a freelance career. You need to think about the logistics, stuff like paying taxes, setting up a website, and figuring out what to charge for your services. But we've got articles and resources that cover it all, and they're linked below this video. If you're not sure where to start, try taking our side hustle quiz for some clarity on what type of side hustle you should pursue. Do more at work. Another great way to learn new skills is by challenging yourself in the workplace. So this could be offering to join a team that you've never been a part of, asking to shadow in on a client phone call that you haven't really listened in on that end of that before. Or it could just mean pitching your boss a new idea that you want to get started on. Taking on more responsibility at work is a great way to show A, that you're dedicated to the company, and B, that you're really dedicated also to learning and to building yourself as an individual. So that's a great thing to talk about in your next salary negotiation because you're bringing more to the company's bottom line and you're showing that you'll continue to do that in the future. Those are just 4 ways that you can boost your income and your transferable skills starting today. They're not necessarily easy, but they're all worth it because they're pushing you to grow as an individual and you're learning skills that are valuable in any industry, at any job, in any company. And the best part is that you're doing it on your terms. You're one step closer to a fulfilling career.